Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video today to show you brake pad replacement on a 2020 F350. This is the caliper bracket. I've got everything off the truck. I just cleaned and painted everything, and I'm reassembling it. And when you order your pads, they're going to come with these clips. And at first glance, they look the same, but if you look close, there's a little tab and an extra clip on one side. If you can see that. So this extra clip faces away from the pad. All right, they're going to go in just like so. Just give them a little tap. Take a screwdriver. This is the easiest way to pop them in. They're kind of spring-loaded. And you'll notice this little extension is facing away from the rotor. So you want to make sure as you put these on that they're all on the right way. I think they will go on backwards. And you may have problems with that tab rubbing on the rotor as the brakes wear down over time. I thought it'd be a lot easier to see this outside of the vehicle, a little better lighting. The pads are pretty much standard replacement. A lot of videos on that out there, but there wasn't too many really specifying how these clips go on. But that's how they should look. And with this particular truck, this is the front. The back ones, back clips are all the same. So I think you follow the same procedure on the back. I hope that helps you out. Drop a comment and like the video. Thanks.